Human anatomy refers to the study of the structure and organization of the human body. It includes the study of organs, tissues, bones, muscles, and other structures that make up the human body. Human anatomy is a complex field of study that encompasses a wide range of structures and systems. Some of the major parts of the human anatomy include: Number 1 Skeletal system, Number 2 Muscular system, Number 3 Cardiovascular system, Number 4 Respiratory system, Number 5 Digestive system, Number 6 Nervous system, Number 7 Endocrine system, Number 8 Reproductive system, Number 9 Urinary system. The skeletal system is the structure in the human body that is made up of bones, cartilage, and ligaments. Its primary function is to provide support, protection, and shape to the body. Additionally, the skeletal system also works in conjunction with the muscular system to allow for movement and support. The skeletal system has several important functions for the human body, including support. The skeletal system provides the structural framework for the body, allowing it to maintain its shape and support the weight of the body. Protection. The bones of the skeletal system protect internal organs from damage and injury. For example, the skull protects the brain and the rib cage protects the heart and lungs. Movement. The skeletal system provides the attachment points for muscles and allows for movement of the body. Storage. The bones of the skeletal system act as a storage site for minerals, such as calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for various bodily functions. Blood cell production. The bone marrow inside the bones of the skeletal system is responsible for producing red blood cells. The muscular system is a complex network of muscles and tendons that work together to provide movement and stability to the human body. It is composed of more than 600 muscles, including skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles, each with their own specific functions. The primary function of the muscular system is to enable movement of the body and its various parts. Skeletal muscles, which are attached to the bones of the skeleton, contract and relax to produce movement. This movement can be voluntary or involuntary, such as when the heart beats. The muscular system also works with other systems in the body to maintain posture, balance, and stability, and to generate heat to keep the body warm. In addition to movement, the muscular system also plays a critical role in supporting the body's internal organs and facilitating the movement of materials through the digestive and circulatory systems. The smooth muscles, for example, help to move food through the digestive tract, while cardiac muscles help to pump blood throughout the body. Overall, the muscular system is essential for the cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, is a network of organs and vessels that work together to transport blood and oxygen throughout the body. It includes the heart, blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries, and blood. The cardiovascular system's primary function is to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the body's tissues, while also removing carbon dioxide and other waste products. The heart, a powerful muscular organ, pumps blood through the body's blood vessels, providing the force needed to move blood through the circulatory system. The blood carries oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues, where it is used to generate energy and support cellular functions. The cardiovascular system also helps to regulate body temperature, distribute hormones, and maintain the body's acid-base balance. Blood vessels play a critical role in regulating blood pressure and maintaining the flow of blood throughout the body. A healthy cardiovascular system is essential for overall health and well-being, and many conditions, such as hypertension. The respiratory system is a collection of organs and tissues that work together to facilitate the exchange of gases, specifically oxygen and carbon dioxide, between the body and the environment. It includes the nose, mouth, trachea, lungs, and other supporting structures. The primary function of the respiratory system is to deliver oxygen to the body's tissues and remove carbon dioxide, a waste product, from the body. This process begins when we inhale air through the nose or mouth, which then travels down the trachea and into the lungs. Within the lungs, the air passes through a series of increasingly smaller airways called bronchioles, eventually reaching tiny air sacs called alveoli. Here, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. Oxygen enters the bloodstream and carbon dioxide is released and expelled from the body during exhalation. The respiratory system also plays a role in regulating the body's acid-base balance, and helps to filter and warm the air we breathe in. The structures within the respiratory system work together to move air in and out of the body. The digestive system is a complex network of organs and tissues that work together to break down food and absorb nutrients that the body needs to function properly. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestines, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. The primary function of the digestive system is to break down the food we eat into smaller components that can be absorbed and used by the body. This process begins in the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva, which contains enzymes that help break down carbohydrates. The food then travels through the esophagus to the stomach, where it is further broken down by digestive juices and enzymes. In the small intestine, nutrients from the food are absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to the body's tissues. The large intestine, or colon, helps to eliminate waste products and absorb water and electrolytes. The digestive system also plays a role in regulating the body's metabolism and immune system, and works closely with other systems in the body, such as the endocrine system, to maintain homeostasis. The nervous system is a complex network of specialized cells, tissues, and organs that coordinate and control the body's responses to internal and external stimuli. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and a vast network of nerves throughout the body. The nervous system's primary function is to regulate and communicate information between different parts of the body. The brain and spinal cord make up the central nervous system, which receives, processes, and responds to information from the body's sensory organs, such as the eyes, ears, and skin. The peripheral nervous system consists of nerves that extend from the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body, and help to control movement and the functioning of internal organs. The nervous system plays a crucial role in a wide range of bodily functions, including movement, sensation, perception, thought, memory, and emotion. It also works with other systems in the body, such as the endocrine system, to regulate and maintain homeostasis. Many factors, such as injury, disease, and genetic disorders, can. The endocrine system is a complex network of glands and organs that produce and secrete hormones to regulate the body's functions. It includes the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries, in females, and testes, in males. The endocrine system's primary function is to regulate and coordinate the body's growth, development, and metabolism. Hormones are chemical messengers that travel through the bloodstream to specific organs and tissues, where they regulate various bodily functions. For example, the thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism, while the adrenal glands produce hormones that help the body respond to stress. The endocrine system works closely with the nervous system to maintain homeostasis, the body's internal balance. The hypothalamus, located in the brain, plays a key role in regulating hormone production and release, and helps to coordinate the activities of the nervous and endocrine systems. Many factors, including genetic disorders, tumors, and other medical conditions. The reproductive system is a network of organs and tissues that work together to produce and support the development of offspring. It includes the gonads, testes in males and ovaries in females, the reproductive tract, including the fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina in females, and the epididymis, vas efferens, and penis in males, and accessory glands and structures, such as the prostate gland and seminal vesicles in males and the mammary glands in females. The primary function of the reproductive system is to produce and transport gametes, or sex cells, that combine during sexual reproduction to form a zygote, which develops into a fetus. In females, the ovaries produce and release eggs, which travel through the fallopian tubes and may be fertilized by sperm. In males, the testes produce and store sperm, which are ejaculated during sexual intercourse and can fertilize an egg. The reproductive system also plays a role in sexual differentiation, or the development of male and female physical and sexual characteristics. Hormones, such as testosterone and The urinary system, also known as the renal system, is a network of organs and tissues that work together to produce, store, and eliminate urine from the body. It includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The primary function of the urinary system is to regulate the balance of fluids, electrolytes, and acids in the body. The kidneys filter waste products and excess water from the blood and excrete them as urine, which is stored in the bladder until it is eliminated through the urethra. The urinary system also plays a role in regulating blood pressure, producing hormones, and maintaining bone health. The kidneys produce hormones that help to regulate blood pressure and stimulate the production of red blood cells. They also produce a form of vitamin D that helps the body absorb calcium, which is essential for bone health. Many factors, such as genetics, medical conditions, and lifestyle factors, can impact the urinary system's function and lead to kidney disease, urinary tract infections, and other urinary disorders. Maintaining a healthy urinary system is